How to use Claude in Chrome. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll show you how you can use Claude in your Google Chrome using the Claude Code CLI. So as here you can see, I am in my Claude Code CLI and I will show you how you can enable the Claude in Chrome using the extension. So in order to start, the first thing that you can do is simply launch your Claude Code, and after launching in your Claude Code, simply type in the command that is a forward slash, and then you're gonna type in Chrome. So as you can see, this is the command. Simply hit the enter button and it says Claude in Chrome works with the Chrome extension to let you control your browser directly from Claude Code, navigate websites, fill form, capture screenshot, record GIFs, and debug with console logs as well. So from here, I think the best option is that you choose the first option, which is install Chrome extension. So from here, simply click the enter button and it says once installed, it will be prompted. But I have already installed this extension and let me show you how it looks like. So as here you can see, this is our Claude Code extension that we have right here, and using this we can interact with the elements which are present here on to the website. So using this, you can ask it to perform any particular action and it will do the same. So for example, let's say if I say take a screenshot of the page, it will just simply do what I said. And here you can see the Claude has been active and I'll need to approve the plan before it works anything. And here you can see that it has successfully taken a screenshot of this particular page. So that's how easily you can use the Claude in Chrome functionality using the Claude extension. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.